Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 2.2. The quadratic number pattern, we're given the quadratic number pattern, is a constant secant difference of 1. Determine the general term Tn of the quadratic pattern. In the previous question, in question 2.1, we managed to prove that P is equal to 7 and Q is equal to 16. So now we're going to use that. Now we need to find Tn. Remember, for a quadratic pattern, the general term Tn is in the form Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. So we need to find a, b, and c. And then how do we do that? There are different methods that we can use, but I find this method that I'm going to show you the easiest method. We have our sequence, which is 4, 7, 11, 16, and 22. Right, let's find the first differences. Remember, the first differences of a quadratic sequence form a linear sequence. So we have 3 here. 7 minus 4 is 3. 11 minus 7 is 4. 16 minus 11 is 5. 22 minus 16 is 6. Right, 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. And then 6 minus 5 is 1. Right, and then how do we find our A, B, and C? Right, what you do, just remember this. You have to remember this because you're not going to be given in the examination. You have to remember that you equate this one to 2A, this value, okay? You just use these three values, this one, and this one. So 2A is equal to the second difference, and then this one, the first difference, the first one is equal to 3A plus B, and then your first term here is equal to A plus B plus C. Just remember those three. Right, let's find our A, B, and C. 2A is equal to 1, so meaning that A is equal to 1 over 2 after dividing both sides by 2. We're done. We found our A, and then we go to the second one. 3A plus B is equal to 3, meaning that where there's A, we put half. 3 times 1 over 2 plus B is equal to 3. 3 times half is like 3 over 2 plus B is equal to 3. So B is equal to 3 minus 3 over 2. Right, 3 over 2 is, remember, is 1,5 or 3.5. Then 3 minus 3.5 is 3.5. Okay, so B is 3 over 2. So now we have our A, we have B. Right, and then let's find the last one. We are finding C by using this one now. A plus B plus C is equal to 4. Then A is half, so it's going to be half 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2 plus C is equal to 4. But we can add these ones first. If I check here, they have the same denominator. 1 plus 3 is 4, so it's 4 over 2. 4 over 2 plus C is equal to 4. And then what is 4 over 2? 4 over 2 is 2. So it's going to be 2 plus C is equal to 4. Then C is equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2. Right, so we have our A, we have our B, we have our C. So we can substitute there and have our Tn. Therefore, Tn is equal to, or the nth term is equal to 1 over 2n squared plus B 3 over 2n plus 2. Just check if your answer is correct. Substitute 1. Find T1 and T2. Right, like you find T1, just checking. Let's just use T1. Right, T1 is equal to 1 over 2, 1 squared plus 3 over 2, 1 plus 2. Just put this in the calculator, you'll get 4. Because this is half, 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2, which is 4 over 2, which is 2. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. You can even check with 2. You find that you're going to get what? 7. T2. You can check. T2 must give you 7. T3 must give you 11. Okay. So soon after getting your nth term, please just check so that you don't lose marks. Okay.